Hey guys, so today you're going to be answering this question. How would you rate the barbaric levels of the Mongols? Remember, we talked about three different groups that influenced medieval Europe. We talked about the Muslims, the Vikings. Today we're going to focus on the Mongols. All right, so this is a map that kind of shows that Mongolian Empire. Mongolia is this country north of China. It's just right over here, and it expanded all the way from Eastern Asia to Western Asia, the Middle East, and then even in parts of Europe. To put it into context, this red right here is the Roman Empire, and we kind of talked about that and viewed that as a strong, large empire. Mongolian Empire was even larger and required a lot of strength to keep unified. So today, we're going to kind of focus on the Mongols. They're known as these fierce warriors, with Genghis Khan being the most well-known leader. If you see Khan in your DBQ, they're referring to a Mongolian leader. In fact, in a 2003 genetic study, it discovered that Genghis Khan's DNA is present in, drumroll please, 16 million people today. So some of you may have some genetic ties to Genghis Khan from the Mongolian Empire. All right, so they are known as these really, really bloodthirsty, barbaric sort of invaders, but they also made a lot of important contributions to society. We're going to look at a DBQ that kind of tells us a little bit more about Mongols. That'll be right here, this Mongols DBQ PDF. As you read, you might want to record positive ways the Mongols are portrayed, negative ways the Mongols are portrayed, and then overall influences they might have had. You started this sheet yesterday. Go ahead and just continue writing on that same sheet. Once you're all finished, you're going to go ahead and answer that question and kind of think of it like a barbaric scale, if you will, where 5 being the most barbaric and 0 being not very barbaric at all, about as barbaric as SpongeBob is. All right. You could also do decimal points if you wanted to. You could say a 3.5 or a 4.5 or a 1.5 or 1.33, whatever you want your number to be, as long as you have 3 pieces of evidence to support your answer. Okay, so using that DBQ, you're just going to use 3 specific examples to support your rating. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me at my email address, or you can call and text this phone number. Have a great day, guys.